Hello everyone. In this video, let us look into indicating the handles in each of the following right sentential form. The input string that is given is in the right sentential form and the grammar that is been given is this. Using this grammar, we need to indicate the handles. Okay, so basically a handle is a substring that matches the body of the production. So this is the grammar that is present. S derives 0, S1 and S also derives 0, 1. So in this grammar, handle is a substring that matches the body of a production. Okay, and whose reduction represents one step along the reverse of the rightmost derivation. So it is in the right sentential form and hence we do the rightmost derivation when that rightmost derivation is done in the reverse order. Okay, then the body of the production can be replaced by its head. So that becomes the handle. So that we will understand using this example. So to indicate the handle, we have to use a table which is of this form. Right sentential form. And then we need to indicate the handle. And then the production. Which production we will be using to reduce it further to get the head of that production, that we need to check. So table will be in this form. So what is the given input string over here? It is 0 0 0 1 1 1. So this handle will be always used in bottom up parsing method. So over there what we will do is we will be considering a stack, right? This is for our reference. This has not to be drawn. This is not required. Just for understanding purpose, I have added another column over here. So what we will be doing, we will be shifting the value, the input string, substring to the stack. Initially stack will not contain anything, it will only contain dollar. We will be shifting. We will be shifting 0 and we will be checking whether we can reduce this input string further to any of its head of the production. So 0, just 0 is not present in any of the production that has been given in our grammar. So what we will do, we will shift another string, substring, which is over here 0. 0 0 is also not there. Next we will shift the third 0 over here. 0 0 0 is also not there. Now we will shift this 1. Now if you check, there is this production where S produces 0 1. So 0 1 is there in the body of the production and that can be replaced by the head of its production. So now 0 1 becomes the handle. Okay, what is the reducing production that we have used? S produces 0 1. Okay, so this can be substituted in this input string. That is the meaning of that. So always observe that handle is always present at the top of the stack while using shift reduce parsing method. So now this 0 1 is replaced by S. So we will write 0 0. This will be replaced by S 1 1. Alright. Now again we will be checking. So this 0 0 is already there and this has been replaced by S. Now we will be shifting the 1 to the stack. Now if you check 0S1, this is there in the body of this production. So we can reduce it further. So now 0S1, this one will form the handle and the reducing production we have used is this one. S produces 0S1. Alright, so now this can be replaced further. So how can we write it as? We can write it as 0. This is replaced by S and the remaining 1 we have written. Okay. Now this can be further reduced to S, which is there over here. Correct? So there is no need for us to write over here. That has been understood that we will be getting the starting symbol. How do we reduce? How do we use the shift reduce parsing method? We reduce or shift. We use the operations until we get the starting symbol. So I can write it again over here. 0S1 forms the handle over here. The reducing of production uses this one. So this in turn This is just for reference, as I had told you. So this in turn produces our starting symbol, which is S. So this is the these are the handles for this input string using this grammar. Alright, these are the handles. Now let us draw handles for this input string, which is 0 0 S 1 1. Alright, so in the same way we will be using right sentential form as well as handle and the reducing production. Okay, so what is the starting symbol that is been given to us? It is 0 0 S 1 1. So this tag is just for reference. Okay, so now we will be shifting 0 and checking. Dollar will be there. Is 0 there in any of the production over here? No. So we will be shifting another input substring 0. It is not there. Now we will be shifting S. S also cannot be further reduced. 0S cannot be further reduced. So we will be shifting this 1 over here. So now 0S1 is present in this production. So it becomes the handle, and the reducing production we have used is 0S produces 0S1. So this can be further reduced to 0S1. 0, this whole becomes S, and this 1 we have written over here. Alright, so this can be further reduced using, so now 0S1 again becomes a handle. Using this production we can reduce it. Right, so using this production, what we reduced it further into, we have got the starting symbol, which is S. So now 0S1 becomes the handle, okay, for this input string. Alright, this is the method of indicating or deriving the handles for the given input string for the given grammar. Okay, thanks for watching.